In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background of a picture in Photoshop. So you see here, I have a picture of Harry Potter, and what you want to do is put him in front of a new background. So what we can do is make sure that the layer is selected. I'm going to make sure that this is unlocked so I can actually do stuff with it. There's a couple ways to do this. You can use the lasso tools or you can use the quick selection, but I'm just going to use the magic wand tool and hopefully just be able to choose the subject. So once you have that selected, go up to the top here where it says select subject, give that a second or two. And so what you can do, once you're happy with your current selection, go down here to the bottom corner and go ahead and hit layer mask. What this is going to do is it's going to basically make it into a transparent layer, and then at this point you can add in whatever background that you want. So what we're going to do is get off the magic wand tool so I don't click something by mistake, go up to file, and from here go to place embedded. What that's going to do is it's going to place a photo as a layer inside of your current project rather than opening it up as a separate Photoshop project. So from here, you can go ahead and size this, kind of make it what you want. This really isn't going to look all that great, but what you can do here is hit enter and then basically just put this behind the current layer. And now you have Harry Potter here in front of some of the hallways of Hogwarts. And there you go. Nice clean layer. It's in front of something different. So that is how you would go about removing the background and changing it up for something different. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.